I dropped my rod and caught it with my arms and it swung behind me.
Oh, man, that went through your shirt and everything. Hold on.
Oh, I know.
There you go, bro.
Thank you. Because my rod dropped, it was behind me and I grabbed it like this.
Yeah.
And then it was like straight up though. I just felt it hit my back. I'm like, yep. What the buck is up? Hope you're having a bucking outrageous day. So today, we're fishing for silver bass. So I'm coming out with my buddy, Jerry Bear. He's got a GoPro now too, so you might see some footage with him coming soon. And you know he's gonna be super slaying. He's very entertaining. One day he might just have a channel. Then I got my buddy Hudson right up on top of the rocks there. He's the one that took me out and made my dream come true on our first rainbow trout trolling trip ever. And then his father, Troy, he is the dream maker also. So I gotta thank them. They made my dream come true for my first ever rainbow trout. So right now we're just out in St. Clair and we're gonna be trying to cast some spinners. Jerry's got an A-rig on and we're gonna try to hopefully find some nice big silver bass. You know, it's an off and on run this year. Not a lot of people got them. A lot of people ask me, where are they? What happened to them? Honestly, I don't know. I really don't know. But we'll find out today how well we do, all right? So stay tuned for the episode. All right, so welcome back to another special. We are going to try to go and get some silver bass here on a nice shallow beach. And I'm going to be using a nice little Strike King spinner. The mini. I got a leader tied on there. It's just so I can switch lures pretty quick. And just in case I catch a pike or something like that. But Jerry's got the A-rig going. Look at that. He's got 3 hooks on there because that's the law, and 2 false ones just to attract them. But we're gonna try to catch these fish. Hopefully we bang on something. I'm gonna get on this crazy rock that's leaning more than 45 degrees. And hopefully I don't make it into the water. Maybe I should take my phone out and stuff like that, but we'll find out. Let's get in there and catch some fish, hopefully. Not, so be it. I don't know if I'm getting far enough. Really? Nice. Nice, brother. So there you go. The silvers. I might have to tie on a swim bait at 3/8 jig, brother. I don't think I have enough weight to get as far as you do. I barely could cast it, so heavy. Yeah, guys, first fish. Silver bass on an A-rig. A relatively unknown bait that's not commonly thrown around these parts. But when the silver bass is schooling like crazy and stuff like that, it looks like a school of bait fish and stuff like that. That's what they're chasing after they're attaching. Every time.
Oh yeah.
I got hammered on the dummy first, and then
there we go, got one. Awesome, brother.
Yeah. Oh, this spot's loaded.
Awesome. There you go, guys. First silver bass of the day after Jerry just got his. Really quick time. You know, it's been very hard to find these fish. I like them because it looks like a striper. It's the closest thing that we got to a striper around these areas. One of these days, me and Jerry will go for a striper trip. I promise you guys that. Maybe in a few years when we get a little bit of money and stuff, but look at that. Beautiful fish. 2 in the bucket.
Once Jerry Bear gets that buckfish bait money. Rob, as the legendary Rob Haw would say.
Yeah, yeah. But, you know, the silver bass, people are frowning upon them all the time, but I find that they are very good eating. Delicious eating. If you actually give it a shot. I'm just throwing my spinner across the top of the water.
They're loaded in here.
Oh, they're loaded in here right now. They're loaded in here right now. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a nice size one, bro. Oh, it's a giant. It's a giant. It's a giant. Oh yeah. Lots of fun. Lots of fun. So the mini spinner's killing it for us. Killing it. There you go. Second fish of the day. Got a couple people in the water over here. Let's get back out there. Come on. Just slow retrieving it, letting that blade spin. Oh, I just got tapped. Oh, there we go. There's another one. Yeah, really close. They're really close right now.
You see buckfish is on this third cast, third fish.
Yeah, 3 casts, 3 fish already, brother. I'm not even gonna stop the camera. I'm just gonna run it. God, they love that chartreuse color right now. That chartreuse color is killing it. Wow. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You can see right now, you can see all the rocks along the side here, and we're only roughly running about 3 or 4 feet. That's all you need is 3 or 4 feet, and you're just coming in to pound these minnows. They're just rushing against the side. I can see my spinner at the top coming across. Oh. Oh, another one. Jesus. Jesus, I've been looking for these for like a couple years now, bro. They're definitely not in the river anymore. You gotta make the travel to find them. I thank Jerry for this. Jerry's always an adventurer. Oh no, the fish is stuck between the rocks. I can't leave you there.
Stop rushing my dummies.
Come on out. Come on out, stop looking. Alright, there you go. Another fish. That one gave me a little bit of a hard time. Whew. Crushing it. Crushing it. You got one?
They're not hitting my hook, they're hitting the top.
Oh.
But if I put the hooks up top,
Yeah.
then the whole thing spins upside down, the hook goes at the bottom anyway. I'm riding surface where I want it.
Oh!
There you go.
Damn, that hit the top. Right at the top of the water there.
I've passed it there 100 times already.
Wow, that one smashed it right at the top.
Blade. It's gotta be the single blade. I might have to.
It is. Oh!
No, 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 no!
Oh! I got him! I got him! Oh! No!
Keep going. There he goes.
Where?
He just took off that way.
Oh! Stabbed me! As soon as you lose, buck. What the buck? Oh, sea doers. Alright guys, so that's what you don't see often. That's gonna be your vehicle of the day right there. A bunch of sea doers. How often you guys get to see that? That's actually pretty cool. We got a freighter ship way the hell out there too. Pretty nice.
15 to hurt you off my way. I mean, in my defense, I'm throwing an 8 with a 50-pound braid.
Yeah. I'm throwing a 25-pound braid on a little tiny mini spinner. I just seen a fish explode out there.
Oh yeah. I think as the sun goes down, you'll see him starting to chase the minnows in.
Okay.
You'll see him popping across the top like crazy.
Oh! Oh, there you go. I seen him come back. I watched him. Wow.
You're making me contemplate switching back to the single here.
Do it up, brother.
I've thrown across, I say, is every spot you've thrown across, you touch them on a single, and I got
And I'm throwing like half.
a food out there for them that they don't want.
I'm throwing half the distance too.
What's that?
I throw half the distance too.
Oh,
So look at that, nice and silver, lots of nice stripes on that. Nice little Strike King spinner. And we gotta crush. You got another one? Jerry, just as soon as I turn my head, look at that. Awesome catching, bro. Oh.
Is that? Oh yeah, they're schooled up out here. I was here yesterday, They were chasing all the minnows. You see them all looking like just sharks and things crushing across the top. They're so the run speeds are almost over because they're making their way out of the river now, right? They're coming through the lake.
Ah! Almost lost control on that rock.
A lot of people call it the feeder bait. You're actually like, even down in the States, I think people that use it like, yeah.
Oh, I see him come up and hit that.
People are like, oh, that's a feeder bait.
Jesus. They're aggressive today, man. Really aggressive, just feeding. Getting what they can before they have to head back. Don't know where they're heading back to, but...
They're heading into your bucket.
Yeah, exactly, brother. You know, I'm gonna take my stuff out of my pocket just in case I take the tumble. If I take the tumble, bro, it's all over. Yeah, sticking it right in your backpack here. I don't want to take them to come in with tumble around here, bro. Everything's all jaggedy. My back is broken. Spinal. You got one? Nice. That's a big one too. So Jerry's on another one there, crushing him.
Smallie.
Oh, it's a smallie. Yeah, that's
Specialty fish?
yeah, specialty fish. Amazing, bro. Cool. Congrats.
Right now they're not in season, but I think it's there. But yeah.
Like I was just asking for one, all of a sudden, boom.
Yeah. I felt something weird because it's like the head shakes were super quick.
Uh,
That's why I'm like, oh, I think it is. Oh, I hate getting old.
Beauty. Beauty, brother. That was a beaut. Oh.
There you go, I heard that.
Oh yeah. As soon as you caught that smallie too. Awesome. This is a fishful day, bro.
Sure.
Definitely very eventful. So when I cook up white bass and stuff like that, if you ever try to bread them, they're actually very, very good. I like to soak them in salt water and I cut the mud line out, which is anything that's red. And usually the back strip is probably going to be like the best. So the top back of the shoulders, right across the top of the back, is going to be where the meat you like to keep the most. The belly meat's okay, but the back is really delicious. Most people frown upon it, but food is food. Like I said before, if it was coming to the end of the world, you guys would definitely eat it. And so will I. So right now we got a beautiful view. We've been crushing fish like crazy right now. Jerry's got a bunch of them. He's using the A rig, and it's just like almost cast after cast pretty much. Now 1 out of 2 casts you do pretty well, but with the overcast conditions right now and the clear waters, you can see everything. We're gonna actually do pretty well tonight. You can actually see them chase my bait because I can see my bait coming across the top of the water. I'm only about maybe 6 inches down or so, but you can see it chase it and just hammer it. Oh, how clean that water is right there. You got one? Nice. Oh, it's a beast one. Oh, yeah. Awesome, Jerry. You're slaying, bro.
I'm doing okay.
Using the same. Yeah? Oh yeah. Nice. Oh! Is he still there? Are you sure? Yeah, he's gone. Yeah.
So as soon as they started popping on the top, here's the minnow, you threw in the school and you handle them.
Oh! As soon as I spoke about it.
As soon as you say that, oh look, it's over.
Hey!
Another one.
That is another one.
And another one. And another one.
You gotta watch out for all these jagged rocks.
It's a death trap.
It is a death trap. Everything's like 45 degrees here. So on the chartreuse spinner, the Strike King Mini, crushing it. Oh, I gotta go down there and get it now. I hope I don't break my back. My grandma's gonna love those. Love them. She was waiting for those. She's like, they're easy to fry.
Yeah, I put up a good fight.
Oh yeah.
You caught a glove.
Oh, you caught a glove?
You caught a glove, like if it's not put up a good fight, you're like, oh yeah.
Hudson! Is that O.J. Simpson's glove? Look what your son got! I got a glove! Oh, the water's coming out?
Yeah, that's
What?
from city.
Check that, guys! The water's starting to come out. That's actually pretty cool. Cool. That's dangerous as hell. Wow. Hey man, there might be fish right up in the current now.
And it's just stir up the basin.
Yeah. Oh. Oh, there's another one chasing it. There's another one behind it. The A-rig would have got two. Another one, guys. Another one there. I see another one chasing it right behind us. So Jerry's gonna try to capture that. That water is still rushing. Oh, there you go. It just shut off, I think.
Sometimes I think this drink might be a little bit too big because I've passed it through there so many times and nothing. You go through there with that and you get hammered.
Yeah. Easy prey.
Yeah, when you think a 5-to-1 would be a lot easier, there's 5 there.
Yeah. Ooh. Oh. Yeah. Crushing the Strike King. Yeah. That thing snapped right at our toes. Oh.
Probably chased it a little bit and hammered it.
Yeah. There you guys go, another silver bass, white bass, whatever you want to call it, aka I don't know. There's so many names to this thing. White bass, the real term. Yeah. But they are crushing it right now. Crushing it.
I dropped my rod and caught it with my arms and it swung behind me.
Oh, man, that went through your shirt and everything. Hold on.
Oh, I know.
There you go, bro.
Thank you. Because my rod dropped, it was behind me and I grabbed it like this.
Yeah.
And then it was like straight up though, and I just felt it hit my back. I'm like, yep.
Oh!
Yeah, I seen that one swimming around.
Oh, the smallmouth!
I seen it swimming around right there too. I was about to say, you're going to get one. There's one right over here.
No, the smallmouth. There we go. Got another one on there, guys. That one actually could be a nicer one. Better size one, bro.
That's a better size one.
Yeah.
Leave it a month and it's not popping in the water.
I better not fall in the water either.
You're already wet, so.
Rocks are all slippery, but we're still getting them. Nothing beats a spinner. For bass, spinners are key. Super, super key. Oh yeah, chunky fish. Check that out right there. Beautiful. You can see it getting dirtier.
Oh yeah.
And the wind's getting stronger.
Oh yeah. My God,
Ugh!
There it is.
Me and my 14-foot cast. Oh! Ah! You guys can see one reel, one rod style here. Getting soaked on the rocks.
Fishing gods have you mad at us right now. Stop on no reason.
Well, guys, we're gonna end our day there. You know, the conditions just super changed. We came here, it was a light wind. It wasn't that much north. I mean, it was northeast, but very, very light. And then it just started picking up. Now we're starting to get some crazy white caps. Big waves just crashing upon us. Water starting to get very, very dirty and very difficult. But overall, for a short window, we actually did very well. I was using a nice little Strike King spinner, and Jerry was using an A-rig. At the beginning, like I said, it was popping off. And as we started fishing and the conditions started getting worse, the fishing started getting worse. So do you guys like that? Like, share, subscribe, and I'll have to catch you guys on the next one. Peace.